Today I want to walk through the King's Royal sliding patio door. The King's Royal comes in a 2-light sliding door and a 3-light sliding door where it can operate from the middle or either side. The King's Royal is also available in both standard and custom sizes. The King's Royal features 4 wood grains: a light oak, a dark oak, cherry, and a Brazilian cherry. The door also has 3 solid colors: soft white, beige, and black. It also has 6 standard exterior colors, along with the ability to do exterior custom colors. The King's Royal is one of the few doors in the industry that comes standard with a welded frame and welded sashes. This ensures easy operation every single time. The sliding door is also foam filled, which makes the door more energy efficient and also helps reduce outside noise. In addition, for added performance, the doors are metal reinforced. One of the many things that makes the King's Royal unique is its locking system. It comes standard with a multi-point locking system here at the jamb of the door. Then there's a throw bolt in the center of the operating sash that operates a secondary lock and provides added security. In addition, if you'd like to vent the door, you can open the door a few inches, activate the throw bolt, vent the door, and have some added safety and security. The King's Royal also has an aluminum capped threshold that provides additional durability and does a great job of standing up to that foot traffic that comes over the door. The patio door rolls on a heavy-duty ball bearing system that features our Dura-Roller system, and it allows the door to glide easily back and forth. The King's Royal features the Allure handles and is available in 4 colors and 4 metal finishes. Finally, the King's Royal has a multitude of options that can be customized and will give you the exact look, feel, and appearance you're wanting for your home.